If you want OneDrive to access your storage, the process is usually very simple, and in this video I'm going to walk you through it step by step. This is especially helpful if you're opening Microsoft OneDrive for the first time, or if you previously blocked file access and now want to turn it back on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to allow OneDrive to access your files and storage on Windows. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, if you are opening Microsoft OneDrive for the very first time, keep an eye out for a permission prompt. When OneDrive asks for access to your storage or files, simply tap or click Allow. This lets OneDrive connect properly and gives it the permission it needs to sync and manage your files. Without this permission, OneDrive may not work correctly or may be unable to back up the folders you want. If you do not see the prompt, or if you previously denied access and OneDrive still cannot reach your files, don't worry. You can manually turn file access back on in Windows settings. To do that, press Windows+I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. This is the fastest way to get to the privacy controls you need. Once Settings opens, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the permissions Windows uses to control which apps can access your data. After that, look for File System and click it. This is where Windows manages access to your files and folders. If the file system access setting is turned off, OneDrive may be blocked from reading or saving the files it needs. Now turn file system access on. Make sure apps are allowed to access your files as well, because this is the main permission OneDrive relies on to function properly. If this setting is disabled, OneDrive may not be able to sync documents, desktop items, or other important folders. After enabling it, close settings and reopen OneDrive so the change can take effect. If OneDrive still seems stuck, give it a moment and let it refresh. Sometimes the app needs a quick restart before it recognizes the new permission. Once it reopens, OneDrive should now have access to your storage and be able to continue syncing normally. That's really all there is to it. If you were prompted to allow access, just approve it. And if you had denied it before, go into Windows Settings, enable File System Access, and then reopen OneDrive. It's a quick fix, but it makes a big difference when you want OneDrive working properly on your device. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.